Bhagavad Gita Bite Size Learning Episode 13 Arjuna Vishada Yoga Shloka 6 Question: Abhimanyu changed the course of Kurukshetra war. Do you know how? On the 13th day morning, the Pandavas were left with only 2 Akshaunis of army. They had lost 5 Akshaunis to the 12 days of the war. King Susharma challenged Arjuna once again, and this time he was moving in the direction of the Virata kingdom. Arjuna and Krishna went towards the Susharma army, while the remaining Pandavas stood in guard to Yudhishthira. Drona planned to organize the Kaurava army in a Chakravyuha formation, very well knowing that Arjuna, the only person who knew how to break the chain and enter the formation, was farther away in a duel with the Samsthapakas led by Susharma. As the senior Pandavas were perturbed, not knowing what to do, Abhimanyu offered to help, saying that he knew how to enter the Vyuha. All his uncles promised to follow him closely and protect him, as Abhimanyu alone could help them gain entry into the Chakravyuha. Jayadratha put up a strong fight and stopped the 4 brothers from following Abhimanyu. An overzealous Abhimanyu moved ahead without waiting for his senior supporters and entered the Chakravyuha formation. Yudhishthira, Bhima, Nakula, Sahadeva and other warriors were only trying to follow Abhimanyu into the Chakravyuha, but alas, that never happened. Abhimanyu alone faced the magnanimous Kaurava army with utmost skill and bravery, while his uncles were grappling in the human chain formation, unable to catch up with Abhimanyu. Abhimanyu lacked the knowledge and strategy required to defeat the Chakravyuha battle strategy. He attacked whoever came his way and vanquished many warriors. He lacked a specific direction to move and kept wandering, trying to find his way out because he did not know how to exit, and ended up fighting the entire Kaurava army. During the course of the battle, he killed approximately 10,000 soldiers, horsemen and elephantmen. He killed more than 20 Maharathis, including Karna's brother and Duryodhana's son. Senior warriors and Maharathis who were wounded and forced to turn away or lost consciousness for a short period of time because of Abhimanyu were Karna, Shalya, Dushasana, Vrishasena and Duryodhana. It was evening and the sunlight was slowly diminishing. Duryodhana got petrified as his confidence was severely injured. His dream of winning the war was melting down. He approached Drona and expressed his apprehension, and Drona reiterated, "It is impossible to face Abhimanyu as long he has his bow with him and is mounted on his chariot." The hint was enough for Duryodhana, Karna and Pati. They immediately decided to set aside ethics and morals and made a quick plan to defeat Abhimanyu in an unethical manner, which has been quoted for centuries as a heinous deed ever committed in history. Karna quickly cut Abhimanyu's bow. Kritayarman killed his horses and Kripacharya killed his charioteers. All others simultaneously attacked him with their arrows. Abhimanyu took up a sword and a shield and attacked. However, Drona cut his sword at the hilt and Karna destroyed his shield. Abhimanyu then picked up a chariot wheel from the ground and rushed at Drona. Many warriors attacked and broke the wheel into small fragments. Abhimanyu then picked up a mace and rushed at Ashwathama. Ashwathama jumped out of his chariot and ran as Abhimanyu destroyed his chariot. Abhimanyu attacked and killed Kalikeya and 770 of his army. He then attacked Dushasana's son and destroyed his chariot. They both knocked each other down. Dushasana's son got up first and hit Abhimanyu on the head, killing Abhimanyu instantly as he was getting up. Abhimanyu's death was considered to be a murder rather than death in the battlefield. Abhimanyu is the most empathized character in Mahabharata owing to his role in the Kurukshetra war and his sacrifice of the highest order. Abhimanyu's death is a turning point of the Kurukshetra war. Abhimanyu knew that entering the Chakravyuha formation was a one-way ticket, but still he made a decision to sacrifice his life in order to safeguard Yudhishthira. In attacking Abhimanyu, the Kauravas committed the biggest breach of ethics and code of the Kurukshetra war. Abhimanyu is one character who inspires people with his character, skill, sacrifice, love and duty-mindedness. The next episode, let us learn about Upapandavas, sons of Pandavas and Draupadi. Thank you for watching. Meet you soon.